hashtag ChatGPT from November 30, 2022 to February 24th, 2023. So for the first line chart here, we will need to truncate the data to year, month, date. Then we can discover the trend over time. So the y-axis is the count of tweets sent at each date. So we can see that we have a first wave of discussions in the first week after the releasing. Then we have another wave of discussions in around early February, and it should be on February 7th here. So on February 7th, the discussions on Twitter reach the peak in this time range. Then we can have a look at the second chart, which is a heat map. So at first we need to set X to week, set Y to day. Okay, it's already day. And before explaining the insights, there's one thing to be noticed. The Vega Light can't count the week based on the given time range. It always assumes the first day of a year is week 1. So here, week 48 actually means the start of the data set, which is November 13th to December 3rd, 2022. So here is December. Then here is January. And lastly, here is February. Okay, so we can compare the distribution of tweet counts each week right now. And we can see here, just like the line chart trend, there was a first wave of discussions in the first week. Then there was another wave of discussions in early February, and it reached peak around here, which is February 7th. I didn't add a tooltip to these two graphs because there are too many records and it will cause performance problem. Basically, the insight I can say that following the ChatGPT's initial release, ChatGPT gathered much attention from the public in the first week, but it gathered the most attention from the public in early February, which, to be exact, is February 7th. So in total, there are 2 waves of popularity about ChatGPT based on the tweets data.